Cooling eye mask is a very essential accessory for all working professionals, especially we overwork and we're very tired in the night and we really want to have something very soothing on the eye at the end of the day. And this works in a dual purpose. It gives some soothing effect to the eye and apparently it helps to reduce the dark circles. So let's try it out. But apart from that, I think it blocks the light and we stop using our phones when we place it. So it is very useful in such a way. And I'm now unboxed it and bought this online, and it's found to be of very nice quality, and it didn't have any leakage. We can use it in the night and in the morning replace it inside the fridge, not on the freezer compartment but on the normal tray, and by the end of the day when we come back we can use it again. It's definitely a must buy accessory.